Hello, this is your quick video instruction in case you are not clear on how to complete this reflection. This one will be for your Unit 3, Romeo and Juliet, and your statement of inquiry is characters often reveal the importance of how moral reasoning affects relationships. Your directions are write a reflection, and you can use frames or your own writing about your learning experience with this unit. Use at least one of the bullet points in the top left column to complete the sentence frames in the frames column. So you've got your topic here and your frames over here. Now, you'll see that there's words in red that are in brackets. If that's the case, you will select one of the word choices inside the brackets. Then you have words that are highlighted in blue. That you will select one of the bullet points in the left column. For some of the topics, there's only one choice. And for instance, for the ATL skills, you have 3 different ATL skills we focused on this quarter, and you would just pick one of these to complete this frame. So let's do, and then the yellow is your own response. So let's look at how you might want to complete one of these. Here's my frame, one skill I, and you're either going to choose learned or improved upon, choose one or the other, was, and then you'll pick one of these ATL skills. For instance, use appropriate forms of writing for different purposes and audiences, that's for the scene rewrite. Use a variety of organizers for academic writing tasks. We used our reading study guides to help us understand the text. We used our essay outline and the pre-write for the essay. And the third ATL skill is create references and citations according to recognized conventions, and that's MLA format. So you'll pick one of those and you'll complete this saying, I did this either by or through my work on, and you'll say what you worked on. I gave you some in the parentheses here. You could pick one of those. The skill will help me in the future by or because and explain it. Do not write up here though. You're going to take that. This is the same one down here, and you will complete the frame down here. The reason we have 2 is that if you accidentally delete one up here, you can find it down here. Okay, and then you do the same thing with the work habits. And it says we had different types of work habits I want you to think about: reading and responding to the comments, time management, class participation, collaboration, or some other. And I want you to pick 2 of those. So pick 2 work habits and say something that you did well, and then the next one something you can improve for future. So looking at those, I want you to reflect on your work habits, look at the IB learner profiles. You can pick one of those and decide how you were either a risk taker or a communicator. And you're going to look at the statement of inquiry and respond using the frame. And keep coming down. And then if you want to at the end give me some advice, then you can pick, you can give me a little advice. One thing my teacher could change to improve the unit for future students is. All right, after you complete that, then turn it in.